Hi everyone, welcome back to Java 1 for All. In this video, we are going to continue with prepared statement, and we are going to see how we can update through the use of prepared statement. Make sure that you have your Docker Compose running. I don't, so just run Docker Compose up, and let's start doing some changes. Since we are going to create the prepared statement the same way for the update, let's rename this one to prepared statement find by name, and we copy the entire SQL here. Actually, we not copy, we cut, and we remove here. As I said, it's tightly coupled to this method, and actually it looks pretty better with the SQL outside, or find by name, and you remove this one. Okay, so now we are going to the update. Scroll up, find the update, Control C, Control V, and we are going to go back again to this prepare statement, and we are going to copy, Control C. You see that we have an error here. If you want to go back to your error, just press F2, and then it will move the cursor exactly where you have the problem. The first problem. If you keep pressing F2, it will go to all the problems you have one by one. And you put the copied method here, and we are going to rename to prepared statement update. Now let's copy, first rename to remove this error, prepared statement, and we are going to cut this one and replace it here, remove this, format it, and we are going to do some changes here. First, we are going to replace this with wildcard, and then we are going to replace this one with wildcard. So we have two that we have to replace with wildcard. And what are the values that we are expecting? The producer. So basically copy this producer and replace it here. Now when I'm trying to update, I need to get first wildcard is having a reference to the name. So here we remove this and call producer.getName. Control D, because we have two wildcards. Now the second one, it's not set string, it's set int, because it is the get ID. Cool. Let's update here now. The statement will be prepare statement, pass the connection and the producer, and here you also change to prepare statement, and let's rename this to Shift F6 PS. Now execute update with no SQL. Now copy the name, go all the way to the producer service, search for the update, Control D, and replace here and replace here. Now go back to the connection factory test, just comment these two out. You see that we have the producer to update, so we can copy this and we just update to update prepare statement, producer to update. Let me see, one Madhouse, all uppercase. Let's see what we have here. We have Madhouse, all uppercase. Let's change this to lowercase, Madhouse. Control Shift F10. Okay, we got an exception trying to update, so the index is out of range. Let's check what we did wrong. It's probably at here, so I did a mistake here. Should be 2. Shift F10, and we have the row affected 1, and we have lowercase. I don't know if you noticed, but the logs are quite nice. Imagine that you have you are in production, and the only thing that you have is like this. You don't have access to your source code. And looking at the log error, you see, okay, we are trying to update the producer, and then suddenly we have the error here. It could even be better. We could have like a better logging here, but I think that's more than enough. You can find at least where it started, producer repository, and the error was while trying to update producer with ID 1. That's basically what we have here. Cool, so I hope you enjoyed. Let's continue with more topics in the next video. See you there, bye bye.